Is someone watching what you do online right now? Most people think a hacked computer means flashing red screens and sirens. But in reality, digital surveillance is quiet. It's a background process. It's a setting you've never authorised. Today, we're peeling back the curtain to see if your private data has a secret audience. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We aim to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of the profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. From snooping roommates to sophisticated bad actors, the goal is often the same: to see what you type, where you bank, and who you talk to. Let's find out if you're truly alone on your network. To catch a spy, you have to understand their tools. There are two main ways an intruder monitors you without touching your device: packet sniffing and custom DNS settings. Packet sniffing. Imagine your internet data as a series of envelopes moving through the mail. A packet sniffer is a device or software on your network that opens these envelopes, reads the contents, and tapes them back up. If your traffic isn't encrypted, they see everything. And DNS hijacking, well, DNS is like the GPS of the internet. When you type google.com, DNS translates that into an IP address. If an intruder changes your DNS settings, they can reroute your GPS. You think you're going to your bank, but you've actually been redirected to a pixel-perfect fake site designed to steal your login. Step 1. Check your GPS. Let's make sure your DNS hasn't been tampered with. For Windows users, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Ethernet and Wi-Fi, click Hardware Properties, look at the DNS server assignment. If it says manual and you didn't set it, or if it points to an IP address you don't recognise, that's a red flag. And for Mac users, go to System Settings, Network, select your Wi-Fi and click Details, DNS. Standard users should usually see their router's IP, like 192.168.1.1 that I spoke about last week, or a known provider like Google, 8.8.8.8. If you see a random string of numbers there that you didn't add, then it's time to worry. Monitoring software has to send its reports back to the intruder. This creates a trail in your network usage. For Windows, hit Ctrl-Shift-Escape, go to the Performance tab and click Ethernet or Wi-Fi. If your send speed is constantly high, even when you aren't uploading a video or on a call, something is calling home with your data. On Mac, open the Activity Monitor and click the Network tab. Look at the Sent Bytes column. Sort by the highest number. If there's an app there you don't recognise and it's sending gigabytes of data, investigate it immediately. If you want personal help with this kind of thing, head over to the OneConnect website. Over there you can discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials. Do you need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalised support. Check our website in the description below. Your router is the front door of your digital home. Let's see who's standing in the hallway. You need to log into your router's web interface, usually by typing 192.168.1.1 onto your browser. Look for an Attached Devices or Device List tab. Count your tech: phone, laptop, smart TV, maybe even fridge. If you see unknown device or maybe a laptop name that doesn't belong to you, someone is likely sniffing your packets directly from the source. The fix here is, if you see a stranger, change your Wi-Fi password immediately and reboot. This kicks everyone off the network. Digital privacy isn't a set it and forget it kind of deal. It requires a little bit of regular maintenance. So the summary: verify your DNS to make sure you're going where you think you're going. Watch your uploads to see if your data is leaking, and audit your router. Keep strangers off your lawn. Remember, awareness is your best defence. If you find something suspicious that you can't fix by changing a password, don't hesitate to reach out to a cybersecurity professional. Do you or anyone that you know have experience with this? Let us know in the comments. Check our website in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. Stay safe, stay private, and I'll see you in the next one.